Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through upgrading your Figma account to the organization plan. Whether you're scaling up your design team or just want access to those extra features like advanced permissions and design systems, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make the switch with zero confusion. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Figma. If you're not already signed into your account, just do that really quick. Sometimes logging in can feel like a routine step, but starting off signed in ensures that everything you do next applies to the right account, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Now, once you're inside the Figma dashboard, take a breath and take a look around. The dashboard is that main landing page where you can see your files, your projects, and any teams you might be a part of. Over on the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll spot a sidebar with a handful of different menu options. This panel is kind of like your command center. Most of Figma's settings and planning features live right here. What you're looking for is the View Plans button or link on this sidebar. Give that a click. Think of this as the jumping-off point for exploring all of Figma's subscription options. The Plans page lays out everything clearly, from the free starter options to the more robust choices designed for growing businesses. Scroll through until you see the Organization Plan. This is the plan that's tailored for businesses needing a bit more power under the hood. Features like advanced setting controls, design systems that scale across departments, guest access, and really solid admin tools. If you haven't checked it out before, take a moment to read the differences. It's worth understanding how things like extra security or team management might fit your company's workflow. Alright, so you've found the organization plan. Click on it to start the upgrade process. Here's an important heads up. Figma requires you to use a working business email address for this part. That means a professional email, something like you@yourcompany.com rather than a standard Gmail or Yahoo address. Figma does this to make sure only legitimate organizations can access these features, so if you hit a snag here, double-check the email you're logged in with. If your current email isn't a business one, you might need to invite yourself or change your primary email before you move forward. At this point, Figma will show you the pricing for the organization plan. Depending on your needs and the size of your team, you'll see prices that generally range from $5 all the way up to $85 per editor per month. Don't let the range alarm you. The final cost usually depends on the specific features you need and how many people you want to include. If you're just exploring for now, it's totally fine to review the options without buying anything right away. Take a minute to think about what's right for your team before you confirm. Once you're ready and everything looks good, your business email is set, and you know which pricing tier fits your setup, simply follow the on-screen prompts to upgrade and enter any necessary billing information. The interface will walk you through it step by step, and if you get stuck at any point, remember you can always pause or ask for help. Upgrading might feel like a big leap, but just remember, this unlocks those powerful collaboration tools that can make your entire design process smoother. And that's it, you've now upgraded your Figma account to the organization plan. If you found this tutorial clear and helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Have any questions or run into any hiccups? Drop a comment below. I check those regularly and I'm happy to help out. And if you want more simple step-by-step guides like this, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing.